this is just our bottom layer, just to put some of that base colouring in place. I'm going to lighten some of these lines. Ones where they're going to be darkened with dark colour anyway, it's fine, but watercolour seals pencil in place, so once you've painted over it you can't remove it. So there's some bits of pencil you'll see I'm unable to remove, like here, because the paint has sealed it in. Some of them, like this bottom part of his face, it's okay because there's going to be shadow here. So with watercolour you have to start with the lightest first and build it up. So that's why you see me constantly dabbing it, to bring up some of the moisture. Also brings up the pigment, which helps me control how dark it is. Because sometimes I'll do our entire painting without ever actually changing the shade of the paint I'm using. Also, top tip, the drier your brush, obviously you need a certain amount of water to be able to actually use the pigment, but the drier your brush, the easier it is to get these super thin lines. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting a very, very light base colour that I can then build upon. I should be using a bigger brush, but I'm not. I'd say learn from my mistakes, but I don't make mistakes. So as you can see, I've left quite a bit of pencil under this bit of paint, but that's because those pencils are actually going to have quite dark shading anyway, so you won't really see it. The way our skin forms when we are in the womb, same with all mammals, is that we start like at the back and we come together at the front here and we join. So we get this like, you see, I got this little shadowy line under my nose. This is where my skin is meeting each other where I was born, and that's why you get like a dip in the lips, stuff like that. It's way more noticeable on cats and rabbits, that sort of thing. But it's really interesting to know, so that's what all of that to say, that's what I'm drawing in right now. I love the tiny little brushes.